In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload audio to Google Drive. Whether you're storing your favorite songs, keeping important voice memos safe, or sharing audio files with your friends or colleagues, Google Drive is a fantastic tool that offers storage and sharing capabilities for all your needs. So let's dive in and get started by uploading your audio files step by step. First, you need to navigate to Google Drive. If you're not already there, open your preferred web browser and type in drive.google.com. Once you're on the Google Drive homepage, make sure you're signed into your Google account. If you're not, simply click on the sign in button at the top right corner and enter your credentials. Now that you're logged in and on the homepage, focus your attention to the left hand side of the screen. You'll see a button labelled New. This button is your gateway to adding new files and folders to your drive. Go ahead and click on it. You'll notice a drop down menu appearing with various options such as creating a new folder, uploading files, or even creating new documents with Google's own suite of productivity apps. For our purpose today, we're going to upload an audio file. In the drop down menu, you'll find an option labelled File Upload. Click on it and a File Explorer window will pop up. This window allows you to browse through the files stored on your computer. Here is where you locate the audio file you want to upload to Google Drive. Once you've found your desired audio file, click on it to select it. Depending on your setup, you might need to click Open or OK to initiate the upload. Your file will begin uploading to your Google Drive account. The upload's progress will be displayed in a small window at the bottom right corner of your screen, allowing you to keep track of how long it will take. Once the upload is complete, your audio file is now safely stored on Google Drive. You can access it anytime from any device by logging into your Google account and navigating to Google Drive. From here, you can share the file with others by right-clicking on it and selecting the Share option, which allows you to enter email addresses of the people you wish to grant access. That's it, you've successfully uploaded an audio file to Google Drive. This process makes it incredibly easy to keep your audio files organized and accessible. Remember, Google Drive offers a few gigabytes of free storage, so feel free to utilize this space for your important audio documents. I hope you found this tutorial clear and helpful. Keep practicing these steps and soon you'll be uploading files without breaking a sweat. Thank you for watching, and until next time,